What happens to your body when you drink lemon water in the morning? Life-changing trick ever. After drinking water with lemon every morning for many years, you will see a difference. The refreshing taste of this drink will help your body finish the natural process of detoxification, start the digestion process, and even wake it up quickly. Also, you probably know that lemons are loaded with vitamin C, vitamin B, fiber, calcium, antioxidants, iron, enzymes, magnesium, and potassium. Then, start this easy routine of the morning immediately. Lemon water has many benefits, and those mentioned in this article are some of the most important. 1. Lemon water grow the digestion process. Drinking lemon water is excellent for the digestion process since lemon juice has a structure very similar to the structure of the stomach juices. Therefore, lemon water can help your body eliminate toxins in the digestive system. Lemon juice is effective against swelling, heartburn, and indigestion. Drinking lemon water in the morning will infuse water into the stool, help move the intestines, stimulate the production of bullets, and also hydrate the colon. 2. Lemon water increases immunity. Lemon water is also excellent against flu and colds, as it is loaded with vitamin C. This vitamin will stimulate the immune system. If you want your immune system to function properly, you will need more vitamin C. Fortunately, lemons also contain iron, which is an important nutrient for immunity. Lemon juice also helps the absorption of iron from other foods that contain it. 3. Lemon water keeps your body hydrated. Your body should always be hydrated. This is especially important during the hot summer months. Your body will be hydrated if you drink enough water. However, most people are not satisfied with the taste of the water, so they do not drink it in sufficient quantities. Fortunately, lemons can give you flavor and improve the taste of water. Therefore, do not drink water with lemon only in the morning. Enjoy this refreshing drink throughout the day. 4. Lemon water increases energy. Lemon water gives you energy immediately after drinking it. Therefore, improve your energy levels and your mood immediately after getting out of bed and before facing daily scheduled activities. 5. Lemon water gives you healthy skin. Antioxidants are especially important in the fight against free radicals that damage the body. Fortunately, lemons are rich in antioxidants. The dangerous free radicals also cause premature aging of the skin. Vitamin C in lemons can help your skin, as well as antioxidants. This vitamin protects the elasticity of the skin, and with that prevents the appearance of wrinkles and reduces the imperfections already existing. 6. Lemon water decrease inflammation. The uric acid in the joints can be removed with lemon water. The accumulation of uric acids in the joints is the main cause of inflammation of the joints, so lemon water is also excellent against inflammation. 7. Lemon water can help in the process of weight loss. Lemon water alone cannot help you lose the extra pounds. However, it can accelerate the weight loss process and protect it from recovering the lost kilos. Lemons and lemon water will protect you from eating snacks between meals, as they reduce food cravings, make you feel full, and increase your metabolism. 8. Lemon water alkalizes the body. Lemons are one of the best foods that alkalize the body, although they have a sour taste. Many extremely dangerous diseases such as Alzheimer's disease, diabetes, and cancer, as well as obesity and inflammation, are caused by too many acids in the body. Therefore, you should consume any food or drink that alkalizes your body. 9. Lemon water has more cleansing powers. Accumulations of toxins damage the cells, tissues, and organs of the body. Lemons and lemon water help your body eliminate these dangerous toxins. They also stimulate liver function and produce more enzymes. Lemon water will also keep your urinary tract free of toxins since it functions as a natural diuretic. You can even change the pH levels and with that stop the growth of bacteria. 10. Lemon water can increase the power of your brain. Lemons are loaded with extra potassium and magnesium, and these constituents can benefit the nerve and brain health. Lemon water is effective against stress and depression. It also increases your focus and mental thinking, so it should be drunk by students and people with stressful jobs. If you like this video, please make certain to thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.